Draw an epicycloid of a circle of 40 mm diameter which rolls outside another circle of 150 mm diameter for one revolution clockwise. Draw a tangent and normal to it at a point 95 mm from the center of the directing circle. Draw a part of the directing circle with O' as center and radius 75 mm. Draw any radial line O'P and extend it. Locate the point O such that OP equals 20 mm, the radius of the generating circle. With O as center and radius 20 mm, draw the generating circle. Locate the point A on the directing circle such that the arc length PA is equal to the circumference of the generating circle. With center O' and radius O', draw an arc intersecting the line O'(A) produced at B. The arc OB is the locus of the center of the generating circle. Divide PA and the generating circle into 12 equal parts and mark O1, O2, etc. on the arc OB. Through the points 1, 2, 3, etc. on the generating circle, draw arcs with O' as center. With center O1 and radius 20 mm, draw an arc intersecting the arc through 1 at P1. In a similar manner, obtain the points P2, P3, etc. A smooth curve through these points is the required epicycloid. To draw the tangent and normal, locate the point M on the curve, which is at 95 mm from the center of the directing circle. With M as center and radius 20 mm, draw an arc intersecting the locus of the center of the generating circle at C. Join C to O', intersecting the directing circle at N. The line joining N to M is the required normal, and the line TT perpendicular to it and passing through M is the required tangent.